Hello friends and welcome back to your favorite channel. So today we will learn how different cars use different shapes to reach the finish line. So let's begin, and we will also color all the cars with our favorite colors. So our first car is gonna go straight first, then up, then straight, then down, and then straight. Yay, our first car has already reached the finish line. Now our second car is going to use a wave format to reach the finish line. So let's start with that. Our second car has also reached the finish line. Now a third car is going to use triangle shape to reach to the finish line. For that it will go up, down, up, down. And that is how it reached the finish line. Now our next car is gonna take a roller coaster ride towards the finish line. And finally, even our fourth car has managed to reach to the finish line. And now our last car is gonna go up and down in a bumpety way. So all our cars have reached the finish line. So friends, now you understand different shapes and how we can draw lines to create them. Now let's start coloring the cars. First we will color the green car. Let's color the tires black and the headlights yellow. Look how beautiful this car is. Let's color it blue. I personally like cars without roofs. And now my favorite color in cars, red. Let's do it quickly. And now the SUV. It can go in all terrains. How many of you have SUVs at home? Do let me know in the comment box. And now our final car. It's gonna be a black beauty. Let's color it. And now we are done with today's coloring. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come back tomorrow for more. Bye bye.